Oh my God, look how cheesy that is.
Cheesy.
Right guys, Lucy, what are you looking at?
Oh my God, they've got the beanies back in.
Never mind the beanies, love, there's £5. Vinny wants a £5 meal. Right, we're first, Lou.
Gonna get some ricotta. And that's coming in at $1.29. Some grated mozzarella cheddar mix, and that's $1.99. Some pasta sauce, and that's 47p. Some spinach, and that's coming in at 65p. And finally, some garlic bread at 37p.
Right, so what are we having then, Lou?
Spinach and ricotta bake. Now my staple is the lasagna sheet, because as you know, I've got boxes full of it.
Right, let's get to the tills and toss it up. And that's £4.77. Well, looks like we're having Italian tonight, so let's get it home. Right, so back home now, Lucy. So what was that we were having?
Well, we're having spinach and ricotta bake. I'm using these lasagna sheets. I need to put them in a bowl first, or a dish, with some boiling water and get them a little bit soggy, because I'm going to be rolling them. Right, so I'm just going to get them in the dish now and put some boiling water on and just get them softened up. Whilst my lasagna sheets are softening up, I'm just going to get my ricotta into a bowl. I'm going to add some mixed herbs to that and cut the spinach mix into the ricotta cheese. And finally, give that a good mix up. So all the lasagna sheets are ready now, pliable to roll. So we're just going to get the cheese mix and the spinach onto the end here and then roll it. And it should look something like that. Now, it looks a bit like a cannelloni, the tubes. So it's just easier to do it this way. And again, we're going to repeat this the 7 times. And the final one, pop that in your baking dish and then add all the pasta sauce on top. There you go. Next, we want to add our cheese all to the top. And now I'm going to try and cover all these with it. I'm going to use all the packet because, do you know what? Don't forget the cheese tax.
What's the cheese tax?
You know, if you don't know, you don't know. And don't forget to hit the follow button for more savvy meals. Cheesy! So I've just added some tin foil to the top. I'm going to pop that straight into the oven and that goes on 200 for about 20 minutes. Right, so last 10 minutes now, I'm just going to take the tin foil off, put the garlic bread on, back in, 10 minutes. And that's ready to get out. Oh my God, I literally just caught it in time. Whoa! It's bubbling. Ha, ha, ha. Are you ready for this, Mark?
I'm ready.
Get your plate.
And there we go. Oh my God, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. Oh my God, look how cheesy that is.
Cheesy.
That looks so good. And some garlic bread on there as well.
That was so easy.
So easy to make. And there you go, guys. A little bit of Italian with stringy cheese. Right, the moment of truth. That is absolutely amazing. Guys, give that a try. This is the receipt. Available from Aldi, and it'll cost you £4.77.